Today we are going to have a look at section 4, 4.1 History of Novel, which consists of 16 marks. So let's look what is a novel. Novel is a word which is derived from the word novella and it means new. Novel is a long narrative fiction. It describes human experience in prose form. It narrates a story with details of time, place, people. It creates a picture of the society of that time. So my dear students, now let's have a look at the history of novel, which dates back 2000 years. The 2nd and 6th century Greek romances. They were nothing but just a collection of short tales of love and imagination. Do you know which is the world's first novel? The name is Tale of Genji, written in 10,010 by Murasaki Shikibu. The first European novel was Don Quixote, written by Cervantes. In England, novel appeared after 1740, after Industrial Revolution. Now let's have a look at the writers from different centuries. These are the earlier novelists, the 18th century novelists, the 20th century novelists, the immigrant writers, and the women writers. Students can have a look at this slide. So now coming back to Indian novelists. Indian novelists, the famous ones, the contemporary ones, are the ones given in the red. Amitava Ghosh, Vikram Seth, Upamanyu Chatterjee, Salman Rushdie, Kiran Desai, Kiran Nagarkar, Arvind Adiga. These are the contemporary writers. The first Indian novel, it was The Indian Field, written by an Indian writer. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, he wrote Rajaram Mohan's Wife. Moving on to the next slide, what is a novella? Novella is a type of prose fiction, shorter than a novel. It is longer than a short story. It is well structured, satiric and realistic. The famous novella are The Heart of Darkness, written by Joseph Conrad, The Turn of the Screw, written by Henry James, Billy Budd, written by Herman Melville, and Death in Venice by Thomas Mann. Now let's have a look at the elements of novella or novel. The first element is theme, next is plot, third is character, fourth is conflict, fifth is setting, and the last one is language and style. Moving on to the next slide, let's look at the types of novels. The types of novels are realistic novel, picaresque novel, historical novel, epistolary novel, gothic novel, autobiographical novel, allegorical novel, utopian novel, psychological novel, stream of consciousness novel, buildings romance novel, and science fiction. So now, what are the expected questions in the board exam? You can have questions as match the column, find the odd one out, complete the following, or write short notes. Students, please refer to page number 173 for the detailed text. You can have a look at the e-textbook link given in the slide.